You might have seen celebrities like Janvi Kapoor and John Abraham speak out against the Supreme Court's recent stray dog directive. Critics say it's an elitist reaction. Famous voices speaking up on one crisis while staying silent on bigger ones. But at its core, this isn't just about a celebrity outrage. It's a court order born of crisis. And it puts India's balance between public safety and animal welfare squarely in focus. On August 11th, the Supreme Court took suo motu notice after the tragic death of a 6-year-old girl from rabies. It was in response to this urgent public safety concern that the court ordered all stray dogs across Delhi, Noida, Gurugram, and Ghaziabad to be rounded up within 8 weeks and confined in shelters, that too with no possibility of a release. The court even warned of a contempt action against anyone who got in the way. It also approved a dedicated force to carry this out. But there is one big problem. This clashes between the animal birth control rules and a 2024 Supreme Court order that said stray dogs must be sterilized and vaccinated and released back to their original locations. Now, two active orders from the same court say completely opposite things. One calls for relocation and indefinite detention of all stray dogs, while the other for sterilization and a humane release. Animal welfare groups warned that this could overwhelm the already overcrowded shelters. In Delhi, some centers already house hundreds of dogs in tight spaces with limited food and staff. Protests have already broken out in Delhi. Several activists were detained while demanding science-based humane solutions. Politicians are weighing in too. Rahul Gandhi called the order a betrayal of India's animal welfare principles. TMC's Saket Gokhale called it cruel and urged a review. On August 14th, the matter was heard by a new Supreme Court bench, which reserved its order after hearing arguments from both the sides. Now, this debate isn't only about stray dogs. It's about how we balance safety, law, and compassion, because the way we treat the most vulnerable, be it animal or human, speaks volumes about the kind of society we want to be in. I am Megha Mugundan, and this is Shortcut, where we bring you stories that matter every week under 3 minutes.